sweet.
Yes, sir!
Pussy rascal, Bumbo clot. What's poppin', y'all? So as I said, as promised, you feel me? As promised, the 20-minute tour is going up right now. See, 20 minutes and 40 seconds. As promised, because that first video I did, it just wasn't up to par. So now I'm finna go start my day. Give you a good vlog. As you can see, I'm talking to y'all different because I'm more comfy now. We're more comfy now. You feel me? So we're finna give y'all this little day vlog. We're finna go get some breakfast right now. So you will like, comment, subscribe, and start that day. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I'm crimping you blood. Like, what's up with the full red, man? Let's get it started though. Reaction boss, cut the merch. Let's go. The dumpling. I still checking it? Yeah, I'm on. Alright, y'all, this is my first plate at the buffet. That's mom's first plate at the buffet. You know, she eating all the healthy stuff. They didn't only eating sausages over there. But anyways, I got some stewed chicken, some yellow yams, eggs, Polish sausage that's spicy as hell. And this is supposed to be baked beans and sausage, but it's only baked beans. I'm finna bash, I'm finna go get another plate, and I'm drinking some smoothie. Anyways. Oh, what's she coming with? What's that?
Pancake and a slice of ham.
You should have gotten like an omelet or something. They're making omelets. You could have gotten an omelet. Yes, yeah. So this is my second plate. This stewed chicken was good, so I got some more stewed chicken with some more yellow yam under there. Put the gravy on top. That's how y'all should eat it. Now we got that cabbage. You feel me? And I took me some little cornmeal porridge. I don't know what it tastes like yet. Got some coffee. The first plate is gone, as you can see. Over with. And that's not mine. I'm gonna let y'all know. People, remember now, I'm from here, so we're gonna go to the countryside now. We're gonna go up in the hills and valleys and see some red dirt. Not all this shit that y'all used to seeing on TV. You feel me? Cause I'm gonna take y'all to the real sights. Not all this bougie shit. You feel me? So I ain't gonna be turning my camera on too much until I'm really seeing what I want to show y'all, where I'm from, how I grew up, dirty foot and all that lovely stuff. So stay tuned. Man. And I did. Shaja. Moki and Yoki. This is a main road. Sorry. This is a main road. No, sir. Yo. Alright, yo, people them. Jelly, man. Yo, hold on, we'll bounce a jelly real quick, you know? Hold on, sorry. Alright, y'all, peep game. Bounce a little jelly. Sweet. Oh. Fire. Fun fact, y'all, that's the main road, like right there. Like that's the main road. That's us OC. Watching the videos that I just posted, I'm gonna type in. I'm working, y'all. I gotta have a hotspot on different phones to post these videos for y'all, so I hope y'all enjoying them. finally getting like comfortable vlogging again, because it's been a minute since I've been vlogging. So just bear with me. I'm gonna get the camera angle right as usual. Soon, very soon. I'm still trying to go to Kingston for y'all. It's okay. I got y'all. It rains a lot in Jamaica, y'all. Anyways, what's poppin'? There was a whole tour contest going on by the pool. I went to go get my camera, change my pool clothes. Next thing you know, the event ended. So now it's getting late. I'm gonna head to the bar or whatever, play some pool. What else they got to offer, that's what I'm gonna go do. So stay tuned. But this is the sweet sound of nighttime in Jamaica. Listen. Crazy, ain't it? I hate the night vision on this shit. But yep. Just giving you a little updated video. Getting better at this vlogging shit. It's been a minute. But I got y'all. I was unable to visit the family tomorrow, but they're gonna just come and visit us at the hotel. I wanted to go to my home, like where I grew up. I wanted to do that, but I'm not even sure how that's looking right now. I was supposed to get a car today to go to Kingston. I don't think that's even happening no more. But like, fingers crossed. Got a few more days out here. Made the best of it. If not, just enjoy time, family time, you know. Yep. So like, comment, subscribe, we'll see what's popping. Shish. So why the curry goat to have yam? What they call it?
I don't know.
But this is this. Stew pork again, rice and peas, cow head. And we have what's this? Rice with veggies. Okay. Okay. And we have the chips and the salsa, cheese, potato salad. You feel me? What else we got over here? Pasta salad. That's a coleslaw. Jerk chicken. This is jerk chicken? No, this says jerk chicken. What? How? How? I understand the part. Got over here. So I don't know if y'all didn't realize this is the same spot I was at earlier for breakfast. So it's like, let's see what they got. This is just a bunch of cheese and like sandwiches over here. This is like Subway. It's like Subway over here. You feel me? It's like Subway. It reminds me of Subway over this side, man. Hell yeah. Let's see what else is going on up top. You know, we got the pastries. We got the vanilla cake. Huh? Chocolate cake. Then we got ice cream. So you got strawberry ice cream, yeah? Huh? So you got strawberry ice cream, so yeah? And pistachio. You want to like see this? Pistachio. Yeah. Oh, it's a chocolate. And then what else? More pastry. They ain't got no smoothies tonight. I did it again, Mom. I keep hitting that. I hit it again. Alright then. Alright then, what am I doing? Am I doing a little thing? Alright then. And boy, I'm mats up over here, so I'm mats up. Oh, sorry, I'm not recording. I'm just recording him. Seeing him doing his magic or whatever he got going on. I saw some fire just now. I got excited. Man, working for his money, young people. Don't play with him. Ugh, it's like a run That's close. Fruits. Alright, I'm gonna make me a plate. I'm gonna hit y'all back in a minute, y'all. You feel me? Yeah, so for my dinner, I got some curry, goat, some pork, corn, pasta
Yeah, give them
salad,
water.
and some lettuce because I'm with mom. So I gotta eat some greens. Now a question, why the water taste like church water? It's sweet. Why the water sweet? It's actually, am I lying? The potato salad, this is what I'm talking about. Nope. Not it. Not it. Chucky, below. Cool number that. Let's see what the curry goat talking about. Yeah.
Yeah, man. 2, 4, 6, 8. You're out. Thank you. You can see the seat. Yeah, man. Germany. Yeah, wait. Yeah, Germany. No, Germany, come. Yeah, thank you. All right, ready? Here. Get out. Come here, man. Yeah, let's go, smooth. What the hell? Hold on.